Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we have to solve this exponent problem, that is 2 power x square minus 3x equal 1, and we have to find the value of x. So let's start with today's video solution. So 2 power x square minus 3x equal 1. This looks complicated, but it's actually not if you know the exponent rule. Yes. One of the important exponent rule is a power 0 is 1. That means you can replace this 1 with any number power 0. 1 power 0 is 1. 2 power 0 is also 1. 1000 power 0 is also 1. So we can replace this right hand side 1 with 2 power 0. Now on comparing both sides, if the base are equal, their power are also equal. So x square minus 3x equals 0. So we can write, it take x as common. So x minus 3 equals 0. Now both the factors equals to 0. So first value of x is 0. And second is x minus 3 equals 0. So x equals 3. So these are the two values of x. Now let's verify them. First, 2 power x square minus 3x equal 1. So if I'll take x power 0, so it's 0 square minus 3 times 0. So 0 minus 0, that is 2 power 0, which is equals to 1. So yes, LHS is equals to RHS. Now 2 power x square minus 3x equal 1. So 2 power 3 square minus 3 times 1, that is 2 power 9 minus 3. Sorry, here is 3 times 3. That is 9, and 2 power 9 minus 9 is 0, which is equals to 1. So both the solution x equals 0 and x equals 3 are the verified solution. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.